What's up, everybody? We have a Kubota Z726X here, and today we're going to change the air filter. This machine has both an inner and an outer air filter, and we're going to change them both. One thing to mention is that before I do any work on my equipment, I always make sure to clean it up first. For this machine, I just use some standard car wash soap, some degreaser, rags, and soft brushes. I use a garden hose, I don't use a pressure washer, and I towel dry it with some old bath towels. It's much more pleasant to work on a clean machine. I've got my two Kawasaki OEM parts. I generally use OEM parts. And on this side of the filter over here, you'll see a arrow. Here, I'll just go ahead and set the camera this way. You'll see this arrow lined up here. And what you want to do is just note that. Pop these two things off. This pops out, and there's your air filter. You know, this one's got a little bit of crap on it. And then this is your inner filter. And one thing I normally do is you want to clean this out really good. Like, you want to clean all that dirt and dust in there, but do not use compressed air or you'll basically just blow it right into that area. And for that matter, never clean your air filter out with compressed air. If you blow on this air filter, you're just going to force the air through here and force dirt inside of here. So if you're going to blow it from the inside out. But honestly, I would just replace them. So that's it. Again, you want to vacuum that out, not blow it out. And then I'm just going to wipe all this down with a wet rag or a wet paper towel. So here we go. Like I said, just got a little wet rag here with just water. Wipe this all down real good. Wipe in here real good. That's it. So we're going to let those dry for a couple minutes, and then we'll throw the new filters in. All right, everything's cleaned up real good. So now we're going to take this inner filter, and it slides right into a fitting in there, and it'll stick nice and good. Basically it slides right inside that thing right there, and then the bigger filter slides right on the outside of this one, and it slides right inside that black area. So you want to push that in real good. Sorry about the camera there. You push this in real good, make sure it's seated, and that's it. And then you line these arrows back up like this. And there's two little holes, you can barely see them, that these little clips go into, and it seats it. Like I said, I like to wipe all that stuff down in there. You don't know if a dealer is going to do that or not. I mean, I'm guessing they should, but you know, a technician's getting paid by the hour, so he may just pull your old one out, put your new one in, done. It takes 20 seconds, but it takes me 5 minutes to do. So that's the way I do my oil filter, or my air filter. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in other zero-turn maintenance videos, check out my channel. I have a playlist dedicated to the maintenance I've done on my Kubota Zero Turn. I'll keep adding videos to it as I do more and more maintenance. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. It'll tell the YouTube algorithm to send this video out to others like you. Also, subscribe to the channel if you want to get notifications of my new videos, and check out the description for some of the links to the things that I use during the video. Thanks again.